coming out, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good though. I ain't tripping. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
Watch when you say my name, cause the wolves have ears. Fuck around and be your homie. Half forensics round here. Papa got a brand new bag, and then I got a tank in the vest, an L for the stress. Papa got a brand new bag, nigga, you gon' die for the fame.
Gonna die for it.
Yeah, Papa got a brand new bag.
I'm on my 86 shit, nigga. Red Jordans, big chain, taking flicks, nigga. And you better get a grip, nigga. Get off my dick, go find some way to make some chips, nigga. I really live this shit, nigga. Been doing this since niggas been rocking hill figures. Yeah, and I'm a real nigga, I ain't gotta tell you that. Ask anybody who know me, they say I'm real rap. See if I don't know you, I don't fuck with you. And if you with your man, then he getting stuck with you. Shit, fuck I care about the next nigga. I treat him like a play button, impress niggas. I guess niggas think something sweet cause I fell back. Like I don't keep the metal on me, to lift him like a car jack. I'm on the block all day, ready for gunplay. Just know the shit I'm shooting ain't for runways. You pussy niggas weak, like 7 days. I run up on you with the Mac, let 11 spray. You talk that thug shit, nigga, but you scared to squeeze. Nigga, you soft, remind me of ricotta cheese. You ain't bout that life, you caught up in the hype. I guess you think it's only flashes when you see the light. Alright, y'all keep sleeping, I keep creeping. Catch him slipping, throw the clip and leave him victim by the weekend.
Watch when you say my name, cause the wolves have ears. Fuck around and be your homie, half forensics round here. Papa got a brand new bag, and then I got a tag in the vest, an L for the stress. Papa got a brand new bag, nigga, you gon' die for the fame or live with regrets. Papa got a brand new bag.
Papa was a rolling stone, me, I got a new bag. And know how to hold a chrome, touch it like a game of tag. Eating like the Corleones, smoking Godfathers. It's only losses overhead, nigga, why bother? You just a new jack and I ain't talking about the Carter. I'm talking about how my city you run up and rob you. Been in these streets grinding since a young teen. Seen a lot of niggas lose their life trying to clutch a claim. Dutch full of A1 weed, cup full of yak, acting like a drunk barber. Pushing your shit back, get it straight off the harbor. Stack a couple racks, Papa got a brand new bag and you don't want that.
Watch when you say my name, cause the wolves have ears. Fuck around and be your homie,